guys, I am going to the thrift store today. So excited. I cannot wait to get in there and start thrifting. I'm not super in the mood today, but I think we're gonna find some good stuff today. So I'm hoping we have some luck, but let's get over to the thrift store. We're at the Salvation Army, so excited. Stuff to try on. Really all pants. Perfect mom jeans, but they're a little big. I don't know. I found these cool red pants, but I don't know. No, I don't know if I want to get them or not. These are like some really cool pants. I really like them. I got a couple things, but not everything worked out. So we're still looking for some shirts. I just found the best shirt ever. I'm shook right now. This is the best thing I've ever found. Really, the best shirt ever. It's so cute. It's so comfortable. I love it. Hey guys, what is up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming at you with another thrift haul, and you guys just saw me thrifting around in the store a little bit. I hope you enjoyed the little come thrifting with me portion of this video, but we are here for the haul now. So I have a huge bag of stuff. Let me just show you. I have a huge bag of stuff. So I tried to get a lot more like spring items, but I did still get some like fall and winter stuff because I can't help it. If you find a good jacket, like how do you resist? Okay, so the first shirt is one that like gave me hope for thrifting again, because the day that I went thrifting, I literally felt like I was not finding anything. And then I found this shirt and I was just like, okay, like today's the day. So this is a shirt from the store Vegetarian, and if you guys have like, if you eat a plant-based diet and you follow like plant-based social media people, this is an online store from a girl, and I've always loved her stuff that she released, and I just never bought it because I'm not an online shopper. But I found her Lettuce Eat Plants shirt at the thrift store, and I was so happy to find this. This was like $3, and it just says Lettuce Eat Plants, and it's so cute, and I'm definitely gonna rep the plant-based community with this one. I love it. And then directly next to that, I found this one. Okay, you guys are gonna roast me for this, and I promise you I'm never gonna wear this in public unless I went to like Veg Fest or something. But yeah, I wouldn't wear this in public. It's just gonna be like a chilling around the house type shirt. Vegan AF. I'm living for this. Okay, you guys are probably thinking I'm so cringy right now, but I just couldn't not buy it. It was literally so cute. It was $3.99. Like, I had to. Okay, moving on before you guys roast me too much. So a couple weeks back, or maybe like a couple months back, I made a how to style a leather jacket video. And if you guys did not catch on, my leather jacket was so crusty. It was like peeling and like ripping and just disgusting. So I decided to pick up a new one. Now I have no idea what brand this one is from because the tag was ripped out, but this is what it looks like. It's so much different than the one I have now, and I don't really know how I feel about it, to be honest, but my boyfriend was like, okay, you need that. It's in such good condition. It was $7. It was $14.99 or $13.99 and then half off, but it's just a black leather jacket. It's very simple, and I like my leather jackets to be like very out there and bold, but this one is just so simple. So I don't know how I'm gonna style this. I don't know, but I'm really excited to see how it goes with this one because I just don't know how to wear it. Okay, next is a shirt from Land's End, and this is like my new favorite shirt. So it's just a like quarter length sleeve gray and white striped shirt, and I just like cuff the sleeves. It looks so cute like that, but it's just a huge like 2XL size shirt. It looks super cute with black jeans and like Nike Air Maxes, like white sneakers. It looks so good. This shirt kind of breaks away from that. Okay, it's still neutral, but it's like patterned, so it's a little different. But this is just like the softest shirt in the world, and I literally couldn't not buy it. But it's just a black and like beigey gold kind of striped shirt, and it's like super stretchy. Like it's just like a spandexy type material, and I wish I could tell you what material it was. There's no tag on the inside, so yeah. But this is just such a cozy, cute shirt. I feel like this with just some jeans that have like rips in them and some sneakers would be so cute. So I'm really happy I found this one. And how much was it? It was $3.99 and half off, so it was only $2. Can't go wrong. You guys are gonna be so sick of me when I say this because literally every thrift haul had at least one pair of mom jeans, but these are no words. They fit so well. They're a size 2, but they're vintage, so they're a lot smaller. So they actually fit me, and I'm really excited. And they were $4. So they are from Eddie Bauer. They have a little patch right here, and they're just like a medium wash denim, and I like to cuff them. I'm deciding whether or not I should do like a raw hem on them. What do you guys think? Should I cut the bottoms off, or I don't know what to do. But they're really cute, super comfy, nice and slouchy, and I just love how they fit me. They're absolutely amazing. So I was really happy to find these, and if they don't work out for me, I can always sell them on Depop. So yeah. This next shirt is another just simple one. I just really needed t-shirts for the spring and summer because, girl, it's getting a little warm here and I needed to get some stuff. So my boyfriend picked this one out. He really liked it, so I had to get it. It's from Ralph Lauren, and it was $4.99, and it's just a black and white striped t-shirt. Very simple. It has just black on the top, and then it goes into the black and white stripes. So I feel like this is just a very classic shirt for something like a job interview or just a businessy event, and I am a business major, so I feel like this comes in handy for different events I have to go to. Alright girl, we got a pop of color finally. This was $2, and they're the cutest pair of high-waisted shorts. Yes, they are shorts, and they're just like this light green, like grandma pattern, and they're so cute. They literally go up to like here. They're so high, but I love that about them, and they go a little longer than a regular pair of shorts, which I think is really cute. So I was super excited to find these. I found 2 pairs too, but the other one was too big for me. Okay, so the next thing I got, oh my gosh, it was a pretty penny for a thrift store. It was $15, but when I saw it, like I just knew. I have been trying to find the perfect denim jacket to put all of my patches on because I collect patches from places I go, or like I have my BeautyCon patches. So I just wanted to find the perfect jacket for that, and I found it, and I am hyped. Like I'm so excited. It is this LL Bean like dark wash denim jacket. It's lined with flannel on the inside, and the sleeves are also lined, and when you cuff them, it's green. Like, this is the perfect denim jacket. It's oversized. It looks like something you would get at Urban for like $120. I am obsessed with this jacket. All right, we're on to the last item, and these are some Zara Boys pants. They're from the boys section of Zara, but whatever. They're a size 12 boys. So there's just these nice like green trousers, and they have little cuffs at the bottom, but the leg is tapered, which I love, and they have pockets on the back. I just love how cozy these are and how well they fit me. They were only $3.99, and at Zara they were probably like $30 or $40, but I just love them so much. They're absolutely adorable, and I'm obsessed. They would look really cute with this shirt actually like tucked in. It's a look, girl, so I'm happy about these ones. Alright guys, so that concludes this week's thrift haul. I usually do a thrift haul weekly or bi-weekly. I've been doing a ton of them lately. So if you guys want to see more thrift hauls, give this video a thumbs up for me, letting me know that you want to see more. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel to see all of my thrift hauls and all of my Come Thrift With Me's and all of my other beauty and lifestyle related videos. I love you guys and appreciate you for watching this video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your week, and I will see you next time. Love you you all. Bye!